Hey everyone, so welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to stake your XRP on Ledger Live. So as we all know, you can stake the XRP on Ledger Live. So here's how an alternative way to do it. So you want to make sure your Ledger device is updated with the latest firmware and that Ledger Live is on the newest version. Open Ledger Live, navigate to the Earn or Staking section, then select XRP from the list of supported assets. Connect your Ledger device, review the network fees, and choose a validator or staking option you trust. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device carefully as this step requires your funds. Once completed, your XRP will start earning rewards, which you can track directly on Ledger or Ledger Live. Remember, you always use official Ledger channels and avoid third-party shortcuts to ensure your staking is secure and smooth.